Aloha from me.
And the Kiwi.
So we modified our offer for the Sceptre 41 and shock of shocks,
They accepted it, so we are now proud owners.
of the Sceptre 41 sailboat, and the first order of business was to name it, which we have named it Gypsea Explorer. Ah! So a lot of you know that we're going to be going to Alaska for the summer to work. We're very excited about that. And what we're going to do is we got Captain Colin. We hired him to basically the project manager of the boat for the next 6 months. And what he's going to do is
He's going to put the list together of all the little things that need done before he can even move it over to Anacortes. And then he'll get those done and get it moved to Anacortes, put it on the hard for the summer, which is in a boatyard, up on some stands, and then he'll oversee a few projects that need to get done to make it ready for us for next fall.
upgrading the electronical, putting in solar, and just a bunch of things.
Yeah.
So we'll definitely be keeping you abreast of this as we progress, but yes, sir, we are proud sailboat owners.
There you go.
Until next week, cheers.
Goodbye.